amma can kana da kyau da ka kara da
There is an extension and there is renovation. Like this very block that we are in is an extension. We have inflow of patients than ever before. We do receive basic care television. We found already we have the name of Nerolida, the beneficiary of that particular program. So whenever they have health issue, we form the we treat them according to their condition. And we still have a referral health facility. Maybe if there is any case that is beyond our scope, then we refer them for further investigation and management.
an outlook. Nan getting things were out of only the yanzu mun samu ci gaba sosai dalili sanai fiye da dan saboda yanzu na da datti kafin ya ganka ma sai ta je ki test saboda a san menene matsalar ki ko yaro ko haihuwa alhamdulillah gaskiya asibiti na suna kokari biyar yayana ta taɓa haihuwa a nan da aka kawo ta da cikin ikon na kafin ma a kira ni bisa cikin ikon mai kai da ta riga ta hau muna neman karin gadar ci wani magunguna da kibotun da suna wani kokari daidai gwargwado haihuwa waji da komai.
The challenge is really that we need more equipment so that we meet up with the standard of operation. A state government will afford to assist or any organization to assist out bed and mattress, like even scanning machine, personnel that we manage during the scan machine. We will be appreciate. I want to appeal to government to assist the Gwada community and environment to upgrade this primary health care center to a general hospital so that if the cases that are emergency or operation can be handled and managed here without any need of referral to general hospital in our hospital.